Okay. Question 1, NCERT back exercise. A piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are then connected in parallel. If equivalent resistance of this combination is R dash, then ratio R by R dash is. Okay. This is the question. So uh, a piece of wire is there whose resistance is R. Okay, it is cut into 5 equal parts. So each part will have resistance R by 5. Okay, this will be R by 5,
1
R by 5.
equal to 5 plus 5 by R plus 5.
So now we have to find R by R dash. Okay, R dash is the equivalent resistance in parallel. So 1 by R dash equals to 1 upon R by 5 plus 1 upon R by 5 plus 1 upon R by 5. This 5 times. Okay, so this will be 5 upon R plus 5 upon R plus 5 upon R plus 5 upon R plus 5 upon R, or R is the LCM. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 25 upon R. Okay, we have to find R by R dash. इनको just cross multiply कर लो, R by R dash will be 25. Okay, so D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Is it clear? Is this one clear to everybody? Question number 1. Which question I am
Yes,
talking
ma'am.
about? ये तो सबको पता है मैं कौन से
Main
क्वेश्चन.
exercise.
NCERT book back exercise. Okay. Now question 2. Which of the following terms does not represent electric power? Okay, I'll display actually these questions on our screen also. That will be easy for you and me. So 1 minute. So you can see a question on the screen. First question we have already done. Okay, so the answer is D. Okay, first question D part. Which of the following does not represent electric power? We have seen 3 formulas for power. What were the 3 formulas? I square R, V into I and V square upon R. याद है सभी को? These 3 formulas we have seen for power. Okay, so I square R is formula of power, VI is also formula of power, and V square R is also formula for the power. So this is not the actually power. So B is the correct answer. Both these MCQs are important actually. They both appeared in board examination one or the other time. Okay. Question number 3. An electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. When it is operated at 110 volt, the power consumed will be. So सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, जब हमको जब भी V दिया है और W दिया है, V मतलब पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस दिया है और पावर दिया है, always use the formula P equals to V square upon R. Okay, so we'll find resistance by these two quantities. We are given potential difference as 220 volt, power as 100 watt. So R will be equal to V square upon R. So it will be 220 square upon R will be equal to V square upon P. Okay. So this will get resistance. Resistance is 484 ohms. ठीक है. अब इसका second part ये है कि find the power consumed when it is operated at potential difference 110. मतलब आप potential difference तो 110 है. Okay. And resistance is 484 ohms. So we have to find power P equals to V square upon R. By this formula, we'll get the power which will be 25 watt. ये substitute कर दो. V है 110. The whole square upon R is 484. When we will solve this, we'll get this as 25 watt. Is it clear? If these three questions are clear, you can type Y. All of you, please type Y. If these first three questions are clear. Okay, Yash, Hardik, Harini, Nirviksha and Avni. These are typing Y. Hinal Himani. Okay. So I hope it is clear to everybody. What about Hardik? Hardik, is it clear? Okay, you have already typed yes. Okay. Kavin has also typed. और किसी को कोई doubt है तो you can ask actually. Then I'll move ahead. If any doubt is there, you can ask. नहीं? Okay. So now, 1 minute. Next, two conducting wires of same material, equal length and equal diameters are connected in series and then parallel in a circuit across same potential difference. The ratio of heat produced in series and parallel combination would be. ठीक है. इसका मतलब ये है actually two conducting wires each of same material, equal length और इक्वल डायमीटर मतलब इक्वल एरिया. अगर डायमीटर इक्वल होगा तो एरिया भी इक्वल होगा. सेम मटेरियल मींस रेजिस्टिविटी भी इक्वल है, इक्वल लेंथ मींस लेंथ भी इक्वल है और इक्वल डायमीटर मींस एरिया भी इक्वल है. इसका मतलब क्या है? वी नो दैट रेजिस्टेंस डिपेंड्स ऑन दिस थ्री फैक्टर्स रो एल अपॉन ए. तो ये तीनों ही चीज इक्वल है, तो रेजिस्टेंस दोनों ही वायर्स का इक्वल है. बेसिकली इससे मतलब ये है. So question 4 I'll be solving on the slide. You can see here. Question 4. Okay. So basically two resistances are there. दोनों equal है, R और R suppose. ठीक है. पहले इनको दोनों को सीरीज में ज्वाइन किया, फिर इनको दोनों को पैरेलल में ज्वाइन किया. सीरीज में ज्वाइन करेंगे तो रेजिस्टेंस हो जाएगा 2R. पैरेलल में ज्वाइन करेंगे बिकॉज RS is R1 plus R2. In series, resistance is added. In parallel, 1 by RP equals to 1 by R plus 1 by R. तो ये हो जाएगा 1 by RP और RP will be equal to R by 2. तो पैरेलल के केस में रेजिस्टेंस विल बी R by 2. ठीक है. अब ये बोल रहा है कि हमको रेशो ऑफ हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड फाइंड करना है. जब ये सीरीज में है तो करंट और पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस सेम है, तो IS विल बी इक्वल टू, इस सीरीज के केस में करंट IS विल बी इक्वल टू V upon RS. Okay. So V upon 2R and heat generated in case of series will be I square RT, IS square, R is actually 2R into T और IS क्या होगा? V upon 2R the whole square into 2R into T. So it will be V square upon 2R. 1 2R and 2R will cancel, it is square. So it will be this in case of series. Okay. In case of parallel, IP will be equal to V upon RP. RP is R upon 2. So it will be 2V upon R. Then heat generated in case of parallel will be IP square I square R is R by 2 into T, that is equal to 2V upon R the whole square into R by 2 into T. 1 R by 2 and R by 2 will cancel. It will be 2V upon R into T. Okay. 2V square upon R into T. Now we have to find the ratio of HS, heat generated in series, upon heat generated in parallel. This will be V square T upon 2R. This 1 when divided by 2 will get the result. So it will be 2V square T upon R. V square T cancel, R cancel. It is 1 upon 4. Okay. So in this case 1:4 is the correct answer. Okay. If any doubt is there, you can ask. If any doubt is there in this MCQ, you can ask. And if no doubt is there, then I am moving ahead. Last time we have done this question with the formula of power. But this time I am telling you, like I have solved it with heat only, because some students have confusion कि कब power का formula use करेंगे, कब heat का करेंगे. So I have done it with the formula of heat only. Is it clear?
Ma'am, repeat it once again.
क्या कर रहे हो? What you are saying?
Can you repeat it once again?
ठीक है.
Can
तो
you repeat it
okay,
once
I
again?
understood. दो रेजिस्टेंस है, दोनों की वैल्यू इक्वल है. ठीक है. अब रेजिस्टेंस इन सीरीज, अगर दो रेजिस्टेंस इक्वल रेजिस्टेंस है और सीरीज में है तो दोनों ऐड हो जाएंगे, तो RS विल बी 2R. If equal resistance are there and they are in parallel, it will be R by 2. ये मैंने करके बताया था. यहां तक तो कोई डाउट नहीं है.
No, ma'am.
ठीक है. अब इस केस में करंट क्या होगा? जब RS सीरीज में रेजिस्टेंस है, वो ये बोल रहा है कि पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस तो दोनों में V ही है, सेम ही है. तो IS will be equal to V upon RS and RS is 2R. So we have substituted, we got the value of IS. Okay, this is IS. Now we have to find heat generated in both the cases, ratio of heat generated basically. So HS is equal to IS square और resistance R क्या है? 2R into T. IS we have substituted from here. IS R is actually this R into T.
Yes, ma'am.
We have solved it. Okay, we got HS as this. इसको solve करोगे ये basically V square 2 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 4R square into 2RT. Okay, so 2 and this 2 will cancel, R and R will cancel, V square T upon 2R. This way we got this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
फिर ऐसे ही पैरेलल के केस में करेंगे. RP is R by 2. So IP is V upon RP and RP is R upon 2. Now ये जो लोवेस्ट डिनोमिनेटर में जो 2 है वो ऊपर चला जाएगा. Okay, so 2V upon R. Now we have to find heat generated. Heat generated in parallel will be IP square into R into T. IP is 2V upon R the whole square. R is R by 2 in case of parallel into T. Now when you will square this, 2V square हो जाएगा, 2 का square 4, V square upon R square into R by 2 into T. R and R cancel. This will be 2V square T upon R. So this way we got this 2V square T upon R. ठीक है. हमको खाली heat generated find नहीं करना है. We have to find the ratio. So we have to find HS upon HP. So we found HS upon HP as this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So we'll get it 1:4.
Yes.
Yes. Still any doubt is there? Please come forward and ask. Anybody? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am, doubt.
now, yes. Any doubt?
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो. कौन बोल रहा है?
इधर मैम IP equals to V upon RT युग.
हाँ बोलो. IP इक्वल्स टू V अपॉन RP कैसे आया?
V upon R.
ये पूछ रहे हो?
No मैम, इसके आगे V upon R. Yes मैम.
अच्छा, ये एक्चुअली रेजिस्टेंस, दो रेजिस्टेंस पैरेलल में है. ओके, अगर R और R अगर पैरेलल में है तो ये क्या होगा? R/2. कैसे आएगा? इस वाले फॉर्मूले से 1/RP equals to 1/R1 plus 1/R2. So this will be 1/R plus 1/R. So R is common. 1 plus 1 2. This is 1/RP और RP equals to R/2. ठीक है. अब ये RP equals to R/2 है, तो RP की जगह क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे? R/2. This 2 will go in with V because ये लोवेस्ट सबसे नीचे वाला नंबर है. फ्रैक्शन अपॉन फ्रैक्शन होता है तो क्या, जैसे मल्टीप्लाई होता है वैसे सॉल्व होगा. 2 into V अपॉन R.
Yes मैम.
नाउ अभी भी डाउट है? युग?
No no.
नो. ओके. आई थिंक यू आर लेट फॉर द क्लास. यू शुड ज्वाइन ऑन टाइम. एग्जैक्टली 3 पे स्टार्ट हो जाती है क्लास.
मैम कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा था.
ओके
मैम कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा था.
ओके ओके. Anyway, I am recording this lecture and I'll be sharing this on the group. Still, अगर कोई doubt है तो go through this recording and I am here for in next class also. You can ask me then that time. Okay. Now question 5. How is voltmeter connected in circuit to measure the potential difference between 2 points? So voltmeter, how is it connected? Anybody? Parallel. Yes, voltmeter is always connected in parallel in the across the circuit. Okay. Now a copper wire has diameter 0.5 mm, resistivity this much. What will be the length of the wire to make its resistance 10 ohm? Okay. So question 6. Diameter of copper wire is 0.5 mm. Okay. Then resistivity rho is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm centimeter. Okay. And resistance is 10 ohm. So how much wire is required? We have to find the length. Okay. We know that R equals to rho L upon A. Okay. So L can be written as R into A upon rho. Okay. Resistance is 10 ohm. एरिया हमको पता नहीं है. एरिया इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर और अगर डायामीटर है तो पाई d/2 द होल स्क्वायर. सो इट इज पाई d 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 because it is in mm. मिलीमीटर को अगर मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो 10 to the power minus 3 मल्टीप्लाई होगा या फिर 1000 डिवाइड होगा. बोथ आर सेम थिंग्स. ओके. दिस इज एरिया. Resistivity rho is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 6, that is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 ohm meter. सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो 10 to the power minus 2 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Now I'll substitute all the values. R is 10, area is pi, that is 3.14 into 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon 2 the whole square upon rho is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. So this we have to solve. 10 into 3.14 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 to the power 2 will be 10 to the power minus 6 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 2 into 2. This and this cancel. Okay. So this we have to solve now. 10 to the power minus 2 if I'll take in numerator, it will become 10 to the power 3 into 3.14 because ये ऊपर जाएगा तो ये 10 to the power plus 2 हो जाएगा. 10 to the power plus 2 और एक 10 already है तो 10 to the power 3 हो जाएगा into 0.5 upon 1.6 into 2 into 2. This we have to solve. Okay. So this is equal to 122.7 meter. This we will get. Okay. Now Any doubt till here? This calculation you can do even after class, you can check, this will come. Okay. So now next part of this question, how much does the resistance change if diameter is doubled? तो पहले हम ये रिलेशन निकाल लेते हैं, रेजिस्टेंस और डायमीटर का रिलेशन क्या है. R equals to rho L upon A and this can be written as rho L. एरिया क्या होता है, pi d by 2 the whole square, that is equal to rho L upon pi d square upon 4. तो ये हो जाएगा 4 rho L upon pi d square. तो resistance is inversely proportional to square of diameter. मतलब अब ये बोल रहा है कि resistance कितना change होगा अगर diameter double होगा. If diameter is doubled, resistance becomes 1/4. क्योंकि जब if d is 2d, अब यहाँ पे d को अगर 2d सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं तो रेजिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा, 1/2d द होल स्क्वायर. तो रेजिस्टेंस हो जाएगा 1/4d स्क्वायर. मीन्स रेजिस्टेंस बिकम्स 1/4 if diameter is doubled. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody? Just type Y if it is clear.
Yes,
Till
ma'am.
okay. ये कैलकुलेशन आफ्टर क्लास यू कैन डू एंड चेक. ये सभी को चेक करना है कि ये आंसर आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. नहीं आ रहा है तो इन नेक्स्ट क्लास यू हैव टू आस्क मी. ओके. डोंट थिंक कि मैम ने कर दिया है और अब हो गया है वो हमेशा के लिए. इवन लाइक यू विल नॉट ever see this question again. Don't do that way. Every question which I am doing here, you have to solve it at home yourself. Okay. So next question. Next question is the value of current flowing in a resistor for the corresponding values of potential difference across resistor are given below. Plot a graph between V and I and calculate the resistance of that resistor. Okay. So okay, how we'll do this question? We have done this question before also. 1 minute. See, this way you will plot. Take potential difference on so okay, so we have to just in this question we have to plot VI graph taking potential difference on x-axis, current on y-axis. Now after plotting the graph, just take 2 points. After taking these 2 points, make perpendicular on x-axis, perpendicular on y-axis. Take difference of these 2 points, difference of this 2 point, divide V by I, and we will get the resistance. Okay. Now question number 8. When a 12-volt battery is connected across an unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 milliamperes. Find the value of resistance. Can anybody tell me 2.5 milliamperes मतलब कितने amperes? If I am given I is 2.5 milliamperes, it is equal to how many amperes?
2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3.
Good. 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 amperes. Okay. And potential difference is 12
मैम
volt.
-5 होगा ना?
नहीं, milli means minus 3.
sorry. हाँ,
Okay.
3
तो
Sorry,
हमको
sorry.
रेजिस्टेंस निकालना है बस. जस्ट ओम्स लॉ. R equals to V upon I. तो 12 डिवाइड बाय 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. तो 12 जब ये 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. It will be 12 into 10 to the power 3 upon 2.5. ठीक है, तो 12,000 divide by 2.5. If we take this way and if I solve, it is 4800 ohms. This is the answer. Okay, 4800 ohms. This can also be written as 4.8 kilo ohm. 4.8 किलो ओम. किलो का मतलब क्या होता है? 10 to the power 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना या 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना. ओके, सो 4.8 किलो ओम और 4800 ohm. These are two answers. Both are correct. If any doubt is there, actually as calculations are simple and very less, so I am writing here. And if it is not clear here, you can just let me know so that I can solve on a slide and show you. I hope it is clear to everybody. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next question. Question number 9. A battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistors 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4, 0.5 and 12 ohm. Okay, so in this type of question, it's always good to first of all make a diagram, circuit diagram. Okay, so question 9. A 9 volt battery is there. It is connected in series with 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4, 0.5, 12 ohm. Okay, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and 12 ohm. Okay, we have to find the current through 12 ohm circuit, 12 ohm resistance. ठीक है, तो current, first of all RS will find equivalent resistance of the circuit. RS equals to 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.5 plus 12, because all of them are in series. So this is equal to 13.4 ohm. Okay, now current I equals to V by RS. So this will be 9 by 13.4. So when you will divide it, you will get 0.67 amperes. Okay, अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में instead of 12 ohm, instead of 12 ohm suppose 0.2 ohm होता, तो क्या करते? Instead of 12 ohm अगर 0.2 ohm होता तो क्या करते? Can anybody tell?
Ma'am, same.
Same होता. Very good. Why?
Ma'am, same.
Okay. ये कितनों को क्लियर है कि सेम ही होता?
Ma'am,
Like how many of you are agreeing with this that it will be same only? If instead of 12 ohm it is 0.2 ohm in the question. Hina Limani are saying it's same, it's correct, but I am asking that how many of you are agreeing with this? कितनों को ये बात समझ में आ गई है?
मैम सेम होगा क्योंकि मैम सीरीज में तो सब में से सेम ही करंट.
Right, okay. Yes, Nirviksha also understood. Harini is also agreeing. What about others? Yash is also saying okay. He also understood. Anybody else? Anybody else who understood this? ठीक है, नहीं भी आया है तो no problem. I'll explain again. And Avni is also saying yes. ठीक है. तो actually I told you in series current remains same. अगर series में है बहुत सारे रेजिस्टेंस तो उन सब से इक्वल करंट ही फ्लो होगा. तो अगर मुझे 12 ओम का पूछा जाए या 0.2 ओम का पूछा जाए या 0.4 का पूछा जाए, I have to do same method only and the same current will flow through them. So the important thing is in series current remains same, in parallel potential difference remains same. Okay, this meeting is actually going to end, so let us reconnect, then we will discuss further. Okay.